Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Sorry, it's really windy today, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys more progress on the garden. It's been a while, well, like a few videos I guess. I wanted to update you guys because everything is outside now, of course. So I want to show you guys the progress. And today I'm actually going to be fertilizing the plants because it's been about 3 weeks I think since I've done it the last time. So I'm gonna go and, well, I'm actually already in my backyard. I'm gonna go and show you what the garden looks like, and yeah, it's gonna be great. Since you guys last saw, everything was getting ready to be transplanted outside. But now, this is what everything looks like. So let's start off in the back. Here are the tomato plants. And some of these are the cherry tomato plants, and some of these are the Ace 55 variety. And I was worried about these for a while because they were experiencing some water wilts because our weather just likes to be so inconsistent and just likes to kill all of the plants. I'm like, are my tomatoes gonna survive? Yes, they ended up surviving and thriving actually. So I'm gonna prune these a little bit today and then fertilize them. And back here I have a couple of jalapeno plants. One of them looks like I brought these out a little bit later. But those are the jalapenos, and I also have some bell peppers growing here. See right there, there's a little bell pepper plant that sprouted. So we shall see what's gonna happen with that. And I think another one down here too. Peppers are always delicious, so hopefully those will do okay this year. So down here I have some of the flowers that I bought so that we could have, you know, attract some of the bees. Also some other flower plants. And back here is a pea plant actually. And I planted I think 3 in here, but only 1 is sprouting, but looks like it's doing pretty good. And what's amazing about these plants is I haven't watered them for like the last couple of weeks, maybe like 3 weeks, because it's just been raining non-stop. Over here we have some strawberries, and you can actually see some growing. This plant is doing very, very well, and I think we've had better results. These are the blueberries. We're having better results this year because we're actually fertilizing. Who knew fertilizing would actually help your plants? Wow. So I hope you guys, with your gardening journeys that you hopefully are taking this year, I hope your progress is going well, and just keep at it. Take some hard work, but you'll get good results in the end, and you'll be self-sufficient. So now what I thought I would do is just show you guys how I fertilize plants. Super simple, super easy, super quick. And then I'll show you the footage of when I moved all of my plants outside. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. To eat, to survive, we need nutrients in our body, so do the plants. So I'll show you how I do that. Didn't know we were gonna get up close and personal today, did you? Okay, so when I fertilize plants, I always put my gloves on. Like you'll see in the video, for the tomato plants, I use a specific fertilizer for that because tomato plants need more nitrogen and specific nutrients. So I use the one that's catered more towards them. My little shovel. Okay, so it says I need about a tablespoon. I cook a lot. That's about a tablespoon, maybe a little more than a tablespoon. So what I do is I just scatter it in the dirt like this around the plant. And I don't really mix it up because you don't want to really mess with the roots, but then what you do is you water it, nutrients will get in the soil and help fertilize the plant, and that'll help the plant to produce more fruit instead of leaves, because these can get really big and then you'll have like no tomatoes and you're like, why are there no tomatoes? Because you didn't fertilize the plant. So yeah, that's how you fertilize a plant. Hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, guys, and we're not really gonna have a conversation about her. This is my second attempt. This is the melon plant, and it keeps dying over here. We have a lot of clay soil, and like I said, it's been raining a lot, so I don't think that's helped. But I'll probably try again. Or just do something completely different. We'll see. And here are the indoor herbs. Just have cilantro for now, but these guys, I'll try again. Okay, so after all the naps have been detangled, it's time to add some good fertilized soil. And there she is. To give it a little bit more stability, I'm going to be using this sort of trellis that I have here. And I'm just going to stick this right into the pot. sort of corrals the plant and can help support it. So there we go. First one is done. Now 3 more tomato plants to go.